chose Schubert is their easily expandable line from a modular setup. So we can, if we get more customers, more demand, we can easily add to the line, add more robots to achieve that. That way our production is more sustainable, more predictable, and that way we can meet customer demands without having to, our first lever being overtime. So, but anyway, it helps, again, with all the expansion we have, it's going to help us grow this section and portion of our business to hopefully be as competitive as possible.